is going on, guys? So I've been using the Apple Watch Series 5 for over 24 hours now, so I thought it would be perfect to give you my first honest impressions. This is not a review, by no means this is a review. I just wanted to quickly go out on my camera and tell you guys what I briefly think about this guy after 24 hours of use. Tomorrow I'll be uploading my iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 first impressions, so definitely subscribe if you're into that. Also, if you guys didn't see my vlog on me actually going to pick this guy up and my unboxing. Alright, so what's new with the Apple Watch Series 5? Well, of course, we gotta talk about the always on display. Is it really that useful as Apple is making it seem? In my opinion is yes. I mean, the Apple Watch Series 5 needed an always on display, and it works as you expected it to, right? So in a lot of occasions, for example, I don't know, in school, I'm gonna see myself seeing this really useful. Like right now it's on, and I'm personally a person, maybe this is weird, but I always do like this. And just by looking at the time, I can see the time. Like the Apple Watch Series 5 is a really good watch. It's a perfect watch. Like, with the Series 1, Series 2, and the Series 3, and Series 4, it wasn't a perfect watch because, well, you needed to do like this. And there's a lot of occasions that this can be useful. If you're working out as well, you don't have to literally do like this. You can just, while you run, you can literally just look at your, your metrics and stuff. So the always on display is something that I'm really happy and that I'm just honestly really glad it's there. Next is the compass. What do I think about the compass after 24 hours of use? Well, I did go on a used maps, so I guess that was useful. Yesterday, I actually did not use my iPhone, and I actually traveled the whole route walking in the city with just my watch, and it was great because I always love to use my Apple Watch and with the directions, but I always kind of hated it because, well, I loved using it, but it wasn't that useful because I always had to check with my iPhone just to make sure that I was going the right route. So now with the Series 5, that has been perfected as well, and I'm just really happy it's there. It's not the biggest feature, it's just something that it's nice. Pretty nice. Another thing that is new with the Apple Watch Series 5 is international emergency calling, and it's something that I haven't tried out because after 24 hours, I haven't had an incident in another place in the world, but just to let you guys know, maybe you guys know this already, but it's here and it's awesome and it works, and yeah, it's pretty cool. The last thing that I wanted to discuss is the new titanium color, and I wanted to show you guys because I was like, the only thing that I wanted with this new titanium color is that it would actually match, the stainless steel metallic bands, and it's not the exact same color, but it's pretty close there. I have this link bracelet right here, and as you guys can see, it's not identical, it's not the same, but it's pretty, it looks really good. So I'm really happy that it just looks really good, and the thing that I love about this new titanium material is that it's not heavy, it's not super heavy, it still looks premium. I just love it, and I'm really happy with my Apple Watch Series 5. Do I recommend you to purchase the Apple Watch Series 5? Well, you'll have to wait my review, but spoiler alert, it's great. It's not the biggest, groundbreaking update to the Apple Watch, but I'm super happy with it, and yeah, I recommend it to you. You guys don't have to watch my review. Just kidding. Honestly, we've been filming all day today. I mean, just look at this. So yeah, stay tuned to the review. It will be up on Monday or on Tuesday. Hopefully Monday, but if I have a lot of work, I'll upload it on Tuesday. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I mean, there's so many good stuff coming out this week. You seriously don't want to miss out. So yeah, peace, goodbye, bye. Subscribe, honestly, I'm not kidding. Do it.